Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Pepe. All right, wanted to do a full update. It's been a while since I covered Pepe, and just in general, I know a lot of you are still trading this. I know a lot of you are holding it, looking at it. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts. Yesterday was also pretty interesting because yesterday, if you go back, I mean, meme coins today have been relatively weak. Like it's one of the weakest narratives in the game. But yesterday it was the strongest, or at least it ended the day as the strongest narrative. So quite interesting. I mean, it was very much pulled up by coins like Floki and Dogecoin that were quite bullish, and Dogwave had. And Pepe, but I actually do think that Pepe right here is actually quite interesting, and I'll tell you why. But Pepe itself did not move much. All right, we got some bullish momentum right here, but that's about it. But if you purely technically take a look at Pepe right here, it's a beautiful market structure. We're just consolidating right here between this resistance at 8,500 and then this major support level right here between 7,000 and 6,500 ultimately. Beautiful psychological support levels, both also technically strong. You can see it's in line with the value area right here if you look at the fixed range volume profile. So this is the consolidation. And then what I usually say is that that consolidation is going to break at some point of time. And then we talk about what's most likely. And that's also what we're going to do right now. So first of all, when we talk fundamentally about Pepe, I think there's I think there's a lot of potential. I think Pepe is still, if you look at the market cap right now, I think meme coins are going to be bigger than the last time around, has a $3.2 billion market cap. If you compare that with Dogecoin or Shiba, in the height of the bull market, there's definitely still potential there. And with the story that Pepe has, etc., and the amount of real meme value, it's weird to say that, but alright, I do think this will long term do well. Now on the short term, there's really no indication yet, I would say, that we're going to have a major bullish breakout. Alright, you can see that there's some movements right here in the open interest, in the momentum. And maybe there's some divergences. I can check that out real quick right here. No, also not really any divergence. There's a bit of a divergence here. All right, so you can see the price is moving up, and the open interest is moving down. So that's a bit of a divergence, but it's not that big that it means anything. Right now, what's happening? And something fell behind me. I'll check that out in a moment. But right now, what's happening is that Pepe is just consolidating. So I expect it to continue in that consolidation. Now Bitcoin is relatively bearish right now, so I would say it's most likely we're dropping down to the bottom of this consolidation, but I don't see any reason why we would fall down below that. So even if we do drop down below that, even if we do drop down to the bottom of the consolidation, I expect that to hold. I expect that to bounce back. And ultimately, when we talk about a real breakout, first of all, technically, the support is much stronger. We have the 200 EMA, we have the 382 FIB, we have some sort of a 1.618 FIB. That's very strong. And then if we look at the resistance, we have the retest of the 236 FIB, we have the value high, we also have the value low down here, by the way. It's a bit of a psychological level, but that's it. So if we purely talk about key level strength, a bullish breakout is most likely. And then apart from that, even though Bitcoin right now is maybe a little bit weak, I still do expect it to turn bullish sometime in the next week or so. So if that happens, a bullish breakout is also most likely for Pepe. So for now, I don't see any reason for a breakout. But if you're watching a breakout, if you want to monitor, if you want to set a price alert, I think that bullish breakout and that continuation up to 1,500 and 11,000 is most likely. I'll keep you updated on that though. If anything like that happens, I'll let you know. For now though, I want to thank you all for watching and listening. Take care and bye.